All right, so this is a next gen 335. So you got your batteries and your def tank right at ground level. Got a little bubble, shows all your elevations. Don't really have to climb up on the tracks for anything. Should be able to reach it all. See these doors, a little bit thinner than the E models. They definitely breathe a lot of air through them. Nice thing about these excavators, they're completely a zero tail, unlike some of the smaller ones. Boom's set back, gives you a lot of view out of the cab. The cab is set forward. One thing you do really have to watch, the cab is not zero clearance. So when you spin this thing around, the cab is going to stick past the tracks about a foot. You have to keep an eye on that. The cab sits forward enough when you're digging trenches, you can look right down and you can see in the ground really well. Check out our nice ground level oil checks. Daily checks can be done super easy. So on this particular model, we've got a 60-inch cat bucket, quick coupler, standard auxiliary hydraulics, and the standard 2D. This machine does not have the lighting package with the bird's eye view. If it did, you would see a camera right up there. So it only has the 2 cameras. It gives you plenty of clearance, plenty of view. Well, let's climb up in there and take a look. You got your 2 steps on the rear of the tracks and your 1 here. Hand holds. Nice spacious cab. And your power switch. Definitely have a lot of view out of these windows. You can look down, see right over the track. If you're cutting a ditch, you can really look down deep. Got your one thing on these new next gen excavators, when your door is closed, you only have 1 latch to release it instead of the 2, so you're gonna have to reach down here a little bit. You get used to it pretty quickly. You can see on this monitor, this machine's got a total of 33 hours. It had quite a bit more when I started demoing it. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up there. So I've got my settings set to start off in smart mode. You do have to run your seat belts. And you can see, looking out here, you can't even hardly see your boom. It's not even really up in the air. If it starts going up, you got so much visibility out of these. You can look right outside the cab. Pretty impressive. Gonna wait for a little depth purge before we turn the main power off. If you look down here on some of your quick button functions, you can hit this button for you got air conditioning and radio. The air conditioning button, you click it, comes up on the screen, you can choose your options, hit home. So quite a few more buttons to push to get to your options. A lot more safety features. You definitely can't do anything without a seatbelt on now. The first next gens you could do it without the seatbelt, but not these. They've got the updated software. So yeah, I'm liking this new one. There we go.